Welcome to Learning Every Other Day. Today, we will be addressing drones in the topic of science. What are drones? Drones are light, unusually small, unmanned air vehicles, meaning they don't have a pilot inside. They can be used for numerous activities from casual and fun, like racing and filming, to more extreme and dangerous, like hurricane tracking. They are a robot of the sky that you can operate with a remote or have it as totally autonomous, meaning it is fully customizable to fit the needs of its owner and many different purposes. So, why do we use drones? Besides the fun it is to pilot one of these machines, as well as creating one from scratch, drones are quickly becoming an extraordinary piece of technology today. With their incredible ability to reach dangerous environments with ease, they can be used to spot people in danger and register their location as it happens in avalanches. Furthermore, they are used to detect illegal activities such as poaching in deep forests and wild protected areas. In the end, drones are great because they can be easily adaptable for other activities such as watering large plantations and many others. So, how do you enter the world of drones? I will quickly mention the main components, but in the description I will link some helpful links for you to get started. But now I will show a general path to take for you to get a functional drone. The first thing to get is a remote and a transmitter. This will be the communication between you and your drone. Then, the flight controller is the brain, heart, and soul of your drone. This little board will control the motor, stabilize the drone, and every electrical component. Then, the ESCs or electric speed controllers will be responsible for the control of the motor's speed. Following is the power distribution board that, as the name indicates, is where the power will be supplied from the battery to the other components. The motors are essential because without them you won't lift the ground. Then, the battery is the energy source for your drone. Some optional things you can get are antennas, a video transmitter, and goggles if you want to go first person view and see what your drone sees. We have now seen that drones are becoming more and more common every day, so it is never too early to get started in this exciting new world. As mentioned, I will leave below some tools and websites for anyone eager to learn more. For now, I hope you learned something new today. Please leave any suggestions and ideas for new topics to approach, and thank you very much for watching.